Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where you're going through and you're having this little transfer your apps and data panel, and you're basically stuck on the setup portion of your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main thing to keep in mind here is that as you're going through and going through your iPhone setup, the easiest thing you can do is to just force restart your iPhone. So what this basically means is that you're going to quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold this side button until your phone completely restarts. That is the easiest way of going through and fixing this problem, and that is by far the first thing I'd recommend doing in this situation. So go through, try just doing volume up, volume down, holding that side button, and that might end up fixing it. Now, sometimes if you're also setting up your iPhone, another thing that you can also do is to just skip everything. So go through, try to just, skip through everything, don't transfer anything, skip setup, wireless connections, all that stuff, and just try to see if you can make your way over into that main panel, right? If you can make your way over into your main iPhone screen, then you're probably going to be okay and you can do all this stuff afterwards, but you probably just want to skip through everything because that could also be another issue you might have. On top of that, you might have to go through and plug in your iPhone to its charger, and that will also be able to go through and basically, transfer everything over into your other iPhone. So that's another thing. And that's kind of covers it up. Those are kind of the main things to do here if you're running into this type of problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.